guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is BoxyLuxe Day. Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking, and today I am going to be showing you everything that is in my BoxyLuxe for the month of March. We are going to do a little try on, see what's in here. I am totally barefaced right now. I'm sure I look like it. That way, if there's any skincare to try on this time, I will be ready to go ahead and use any of that. So any hair care, skincare that has been sent this time, I am able to try on as well. And if you are new, I post videos every Wednesday and Friday, and I do beauty and weight loss related videos. So let's hop into it. I literally just arrived this morning and I just broke the seal. So let's see what's inside. So I can't remember if there's usually an explanation card that like lists everything with the prices. I thought there was, but I'm not seeing one. Usually it's on top, but this was on top. It's the first thing that I found in here. And so it looks to be like it's a BoxyCharm branded eyeshadow palette, at least. Maybe hitting some colors, you guys. Look at that. Look at those colors. Holy Toledo. I can't wait to see what some of these look like. Got like duochrome, got some matte, some satin, metallic, and a couple of glitters, I think. This is really cool. Okay, next up is a lip pigment from NARS. So we've got the color Warm Leatherette. Oh golly. We got a set of 3 of clear Invisibobbles. I really like these, but they seriously last so long. I mean, I've never worn one out, so I don't need these. I mean, it's a great thing to have. Like, I gave one to my friend and she was super stoked to get it, and it's like her new favorite hair tie. Next up we have a Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, just a little body cream. Oh man, these smell, oh yeah, it's a little bit more coconutty. Oh, you guys, and they sent an original. Yes, so they sent an original Bum Bum cream as well. Next up, we've got a facial cleansing tool. It's the PMD. And it massages, so you can use one side for like cleansing and one side for massaging in your serums. It says it's waterproof, ergonomic, and runs on AA batteries. Just one AA battery, and they send you a battery, so you don't have to go find one for your first time. So this is nice. It's pink. I like pink, and it's got a really nice rose gold metal bottom, so unscrews pretty easily. Put it in positive side into the north end. There's the button right there. Okay, so I just ran through all 4 of the modes, and the pulses vary between speed and duration, like short pulses, long pulse, consistent pulse, fast and slow. So those are the different modes that it has. Cool, so it actually came with a little like cradle for you to place it in when you're done with it, and then it can just sit next to your sink inside of it, vertical, rather than having to like lay it down somewhere, which is also nice because then you don't have the head of it that you want to keep clean getting on a dirty counter or a dirty sink or anything. So that's super nice. Okay, next we have a little Becca product. It is the Skin Love Glow Glaze stick. Oh, nice. So it looks to be a glow stick. Obviously it's a highlighter. Gonna be subtle on the skin, I think. We'll see. It is sticky feeling, so I don't know how it will dry down or work with foundation. That's interesting. I don't know. We'll see about that. Okay, what's next? So I've got a little bag here from Bombshell Baker. So we've got 4 gold metal straws, and then of course they always come with a cleaner. Even though we don't have a straw law here in Colorado like they do in California, these are still really cool, and I do use metal straws here at home. I've got these really pretty rainbow ones. Gold works too. These are smaller, so these are kind of like just for drinking regular things. But what's nice is because like the smoothie ones and boba ones don't fit in everything, whereas this will. So that's cool. I don't know, I might keep it for someone for a gift, but yeah, some nice straws. So that's nice. They kind of like hit outside of like the beauty range and went with something that's nice and reusable like that. All right. So we are on to the last item in the box, and I'll let you know at the very end what everything costs, because I'll have to look it up since they forgot my card. So we've got a mini ceramic curling iron from Sutra. It is, oh, it's like a teeny one. It looks like a 0.75 incher. Oh my gosh, how funny. So it's legit, like, no, so, you know, you need a long barrel. I don't know what I would do with this. I mean, I get the idea of it, you know, travel friendly. This is like child size. Am I wrong? Like, let me know down in the comments below, like, am I whack on this and feeling like 370 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius? It has a swiveling core, ergonomic handle. It's tourmaline. I think it's supposed to be tourmaline, not, I think they left out the R. Ceramic barrel, dual voltage for worldwide use, which is good because it's a travel item. My hair's kind of already done. I'm going to be working out later, so I'm not going to curl my hair. Sorry if you were really hoping I would try to figure out how to use this with long hair. You know what? Maybe if you have bangs and so you have like really short hair around your face, you know, then you can just like, woo, I mean, I only get like a couple of wraps around this, y'all. Like, you feel me? Okay, so now it's time to try on everything. We've got an eyeshadow palette to test. We've got the highlighter stick, and I have the lip. I'll try it. It's just not my favorite to go for a really super liquidy lip, but I'll give it a go. We'll throw this in fast forward, and I'll see you on the other side. today's look. So let's discuss what the value is of the items that I received in my box, as well as what I thought about how they wear and the application. Well, just the application, right? So first, I had to look up on my phone from the website to see what things were valued at because we got no card. So first up, we've got the mini ceramic curling iron from Sutra Beauty. It's valued at $50. Then we have the Bombshell Baker set of 4 metal straws or reusable straws. What, they're not on the website? Really? Okay, so I just took a few minutes to try to find the straws on the website and I can't. So I have no idea what the value of them are. I would venture to say from what I can get on Amazon, they're probably around $10. Unless they're gonna tell me these are like 24 karat gold or something. I'm gonna take a low ballpark on that and I'll give it like a $10 cost. I'm sure that they're gonna say it's more, but that's all I can go off of. They haven't given me any other information. Okay, so then we also got the set of 3 clear Invisibobbies, and they also weren't on the BoxyCharm website even though they came in my box. It's just weird. This never doesn't really happen to me much, but I looked it up on Sephora and they are $8. The set of 2 Sol de Janeiro lotions retail for $20. The NARS lip is a $26 value, and it turns out that I actually am digging this lip color a lot more than I expected to. I am just not someone who wears a lot of color on my lips, but this could change my mind. This does take a lot longer to apply because it is a very watery formula. It is the truly water. If you take the lid out, if you were to go whoop and dip it, the sucker would just empty. So you have to be super, super careful about that. But I do know from having another color of this, the wear is kind of phenomenal. So that was really cool that they were able to throw that in. That's a really great item to have. Yeah, I'm totally digging the color. Then we got this really cool PMD Clean Smart device for cleansing and applying your skincare. And this sucker retails for $99. I'm really excited about this. I got a really cool color. And then again, this actually isn't on your website, BoxyCharm, but this is that Becca Glow Glaze stick, and at Sephora it retails for $28. Applying it actually was quite easy. It's not quite as sticky. And again, you saw how I used my fingers. I was a little bit hesitant to go on directly with the stick. I want it because you kind of get a less blended look that way, but it's not as tacky as when I first put it on, and it really does have a nice glow to it, and it's a little bit more of that wet look. And I do really enjoy this. I don't know really how much I will use it personally, but I do enjoy it. I do think that is a good product. And then the last item is this BoxyCharm Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette. I totally dig it. This was gorgeous. As you can see from the images, I mean, this glitter was amazing. I was super happy with the pigmentation and how it was like super buildable. I found like when I was using the shade Spoiler that it really created a really nice transition shade. The glitter it's this duochrome glitter. I don't have a glitter like this, and I don't think I definitely don't have another glitter in my collection that is like Swipe Up with the pink sort of like, what is it? Like pink, yellow, green sort of shift to it. And I also don't think I have shades like Full Size or Charmer. Those are more unique shades that I don't really have in my collection already. Some of the other ones are sort of more traditional, you know, bronzy, warm tone sort of shades. If you want to see me do another video where I do a deep dive review into the entire palette and do another look possibly with the purple or the green sort of glitter metallics, let me know down in the comments below and I will definitely get to that if enough of you would like me to do that. I mean, I'll be staring at myself all day. I don't know how I'm going to get anything done. super happy with the way that turned out. So I'll have to ring up the tally, and the total value of today's BoxyLuxe box is gonna be right here. Again, comment down below if you want to see me do a video. Comment down below what your favorite product of this month was, and if maybe you got a different box, maybe you got something different that you really liked, let us all know so that we can share the love. And I think that's gonna be it. Again, I do videos every Wednesday and Friday, beauty and weight loss related. And please make sure to give a like if you liked today's content and the way I did the video, sort of the layout of it. It gives me really good feedback on how to do these in the future. And make sure to subscribe and ring that bell if you enjoyed me and want to see more of me, and then you'll never miss any of my future videos. And that's gonna be a wrap. Until next time, stay well, stay blessed.